Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see guys, I am outside. So in my previous videos I told you guys about as coming up with the what's called mini garden. So my family, we had this plan last year of like growing our own food, but it did not come to fruition because we were all busy. But this year I've taken it back up and we have named it what's it called? Project Feed Yourself, Operation Feed Yourself. So that's what we're going to be doing. And today we are working on the bed. And yeah, today we are working on the bed. But so the plan for this lawn, let me show you guys. Sorry, not lawn, mini garden. The whole lawn. So we are currently going to be doing an L-shaped bed. So it's going to be like, where's my hand? Like this and like this. And then the lawn, we are going to do like grass here. And then there's going to be like a mini sitting side beside the palm tree. But that is for later. Today we are working on the bed. So these are the seedlings. This plant we have confirmed is possibly tomatoes. Then we have some more here. These ones we were able to label. So these are them. We have some onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, red and green, and carrots. So is to grow the creeping plants on this line because we want to be able to hang them on strings so we have a neat garden. Then this side will be what? So we're going to be doing the roots plant crops over here.
Okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me go. Why you make my heart beat faster when we get close? Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know.
The before of the second side of the L-shaped what's it called? Bed. Just came in to have a little bit of a break and eat with my family, and now we're going to do the second L that I showed you guys. We're going to do it. So let's go. So this is the after of the lawn. This is one side, and that's the second side till the end. So we have chosen to do one more bed at this side of the lawn so that we can plant some more stuff. So yeah, this is it. We are so proud of ourselves because we did so well with the bed, even though it was so hard because the soil was dried. So yeah, but it's looking good. Hey guys, so we'll be making this bed some other time, but we don't know when. And we're also going to be covering this up with we'll be putting some manure on the soil and also covering it with black rubber. So all that will be done. We'll be doing all those. Oh my god, the light. We'll be doing all those in the next what's it called, Operation Feed Yourself video. But so in this video was all about the beds, and we are done with that. So yeah, more improvements on the seedlings. We had some new growth here, and we're looking forward to it. If you look closely, you can see some more seedlings trying to come out, so we are so excited for that. Yeah, we have this mini, let me go back and show you guys this mini like land, I don't know what to call it, space over here, and I want to kind of like make like this decorative space with like decorative plants, so like roses and cactuses. So I'm currently nesting some cactuses, but this is the space I'm not really sure about the plan yet, but I'm going to fill like this thing with soil till the brim, making sure to keep in mind about this and everything like that. But I'm going to fill it to the brim, put some black rubber on it to prevent weeds from growing. But we don't know what we want to put on it. Do we want to put stones or fake grass? If you guys have any ideas, comment it down below. But that's the plan. I'm going to show you guys the seedlings now. Okay guys, so these are the seedlings. This is very beautiful. Especially this one. This one has grown so much. We already had them, but we weren't taking care of them. But now I'm trying to take care of them once again. There's manure on this soil, so I hope it grows well. Yeah, I'm so excited. My mom's also going to be buying roses later, but wow. All for this Operation Feed Yourself project for day one. It's not like we're going to do this. I don't know what to explain. What should I call this? Like the first stage, we're just making the beds and then the seedlings. We already did that, but so I guess that was phase 1. So this is phase 2. And well, there are more beds to make, which is this line. But all that will be in the next video. So you guys should stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to follow along with this project, and like if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.